We also want to build a system that, collects rainwater
I understand.
and then also gray water, and uses gray water, for irrigation purposes, and then the rainwater, we want to see if we can use that for our flushing toilets and laundry.
Okay, to permit a gray water system in the County of Sonoma, basically they have a standard handout inside on how to do it. They have three types of system. They have the clothes washer system, which no permit is required. They have the simple system, which permits are required, and the complex system, permits are required. Rainwater, along with gray water, it's a special system. Basically, it has to be distinguished from your regular drinking water. It can't be tied into the same system because now you contaminate your drinking water. One of your systems are going to be attached to your septic tank, and that stuff will flow through the septic tank. Your other piping system will flow to your irrigation system. Okay, and you can actually stub those out for future use, which I recommend, because you may not know what you want to irrigate at the time. So just run it out, cap it off. It's for future use.
So is there special permitting requirements that we have to submit?
That's something, I would behoove you to do, basically, to let us know ahead of time. That's the perfect time to do it, because you have homes out here with raised floors and everything else. Basically, that is a perfect time to install this. Before you put in your floor, before you put in your foundation, is to design it and show it on the plan.